I have a great recipe for you that you can make at home. My lemon ricotta pancakes, they're light, they're fluffy, and then you have this beautiful strawberry orangey sauce over the top of them. It makes for a beautiful sunshiny day. Let's grab my Meyer lemons. Meyer lemons are like a smile in a lemon. They're just such a beautiful, perfumey flavor. My wet ingredients are milk, eggs, ricotta cheese, and Meyer lemon zest and juice. Wet into dry, and then so I'm gonna go ahead, whip up my egg whites, and I'm gonna fold those in. The key to keeping these pancakes super light and fluffy, when you're folding in the beaten egg whites, do it quickly, but don't squash the air out of them. That's what's gonna keep them light and fluffy. There'll be like Meyer lemon ricotta clouds. It's griddle time. I've got my beautiful, fluffy Meyer lemon pancake batter ready to rock on that grill. I like sort of a medium-sized pancake. If you like little tiny ones, make little tiny ones. If you like big, huge ones, make big, huge ones. You know when to flip your pancakes when you see the little holes come to the surface of the pancakes and stay open. Look at these sexy goodnesses. Then we spoon over the strawberry coulis, which is just strawberry, sugar, and orange juice with a little dash of powdered sugar. That's what I'm talking about. Light, fluffy, ethereal, cloud-like pancakes with strawberries. One of the best breakfasts I've ever made, and I'm hoping they're gonna be one of the best ones you ever made too.